Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, joined by our corporate chef, Anthony Marino.
Hello, everyone.
All things dishwashers today. It's been a while since I think we've kind of covered dishwashers. One of my favorite appliances.
Yeah.
And
near and dear to my heart too. You know me, I love a good dish. You know?
Well, yeah, because you're making a lot of dishes that need clean. I mean, you got a lot of dirty dishes going.
I make a big mess, so I need a strong dishwasher.
So in your eyes, right, you need something that's going to clean exceptionally well.
Yeah.
It's got great capacity, and that can roll through dishes fast, right?
Efficiency, and you know what? Honestly, it took me 10 years to figure that out. Quiet is key, though. You know what I mean? You got to have a good decibel level. You know, a reasonable one.
So
nothing's worse than hearing. Right?
So if money was no object, your number one dishwasher.
Money's no object, top of the line. I'm going with the panel-ready dishwasher from Gaggenau. This dishwasher, the whole back is lit. So, you know, the whole back lights up, illuminates. There's two lights down the side. And you're like, I know you're probably thinking out there, Chef, you're crazy about a light. Once you see and have a light in the dishwasher, you're never going back home. You're never going back to a regular dishwasher again. You know what I mean? It was like, you know, when VCRs came out. You know, you're never going back.
So the Gaggenau dishwasher is the ultra high-end brand of Bosch Corporation. So those of you out there that are familiar with the Bosch dishwasher, the Gaggenau is the top luxury brand of Bosch Corporation. So that dishwasher has the remnants of a Bosch, but it goes well beyond what a Bosch dishwasher would offer.
It would be supercharged. So, I mean, the settings on there are, you know, really finite and really get down and dirty. I say dishwasher is kind of like a coffee maker. Everybody does their coffee a different way. Everybody does their dishes a different way. So, you know, if you want it at a certain temp, if you want your auto setting to a light or a medium, I mean, this dishwasher gives you the free range to really, you know, tone it in and, you know, make it your own. I mean, especially with, you know, let's talk about older china and, you know, better porcelain and things like that etching, and you're worried about it.
You mean the ones that say not dishwasher safe?
yeah,
those ones.
Yeah, those ones that say.
So quite honestly, I mean, you can definitely utilize those
features.
Yes, in this dishwasher. Now, for me.
Yeah, where are you going?
My dishwasher is going to be the Miele Professional. Professional for the home. It comes either panel ready or you can do a stainless steel panel on the front of it. What I like about it is from start to finish, you can do a load of dishes in an hour on the first load.
Yeah.
Subsequent loads after that are going to be quicker. But when I say it does from start to finish, on a pots and pans cycle, it is going to do an aggressive job in terms of temperature, in terms of cleanability. You can stack that unit exceptionally well. There's great places for your china, great places for your crystal. We just had family over last Sunday. We were using water glasses. We were using, you know, some china, holiday china, Christmas china.
Yeah.
We had it loaded up, and we did ultimately within 3 hours, we did 4 loads. So we did not touch a squeegee or an SOS pad to do anything. So I'm not a believer of doing dishes in the sink.
Yeah, no, not at all.
I got better things to do.
You're right. You got a whole holiday. You got time. You got people over. That's unbelievable. Is anybody else doing that?
There are manufacturers that offer an hour cycle time, but I got to tell you, I don't know of anybody that's going to do a pots and pans cycle and do it well in that hour time frame.
Yeah.
So that's going to be my number one. So as we continue to go down, I'm going to select my next dishwasher if we're talking like right around that $1,000 mark. I'm going to go with the Bosch with the Zeolite. So $1,000 to $1,200, I'm going to do a Bosch with the Zeolite.
Yeah.
And the Zeolite is what they use to help dry your dishes naturally. So there's no exposed heating element at the bottom.
Yeah.
It uses zeolite crystals in the back right corner.
Yeah.
It's a natural element, and you've got adjustable racks inside. You've got the cutlery rack. It's, to your point, it's really quiet.
It is quiet.
Does a great job of cleaning your dishes. On any of these dishwasher folks, you have to use rinse aid.
Yeah.
You got to put them in dirty.
Yeah.
And it's not going to work like your old dishwasher, so there is going to be that little bit of a 2-week learning curve. So make sure to keep that in mind. but that's going to be my dishwasher.
I'm thinking KitchenAid. I mean, can I get KitchenAid in that
Absolutely.
$1,200 price range? You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
KitchenAid, I like. I like the KitchenAid. I like the third rack on that one. I like the direct spray jets on there that on the third rack that move around. That's a great interior. That has a fan assist on it. It has the grinder inside too at the very bottom, right? You know what I mean?
You still have a filter though too.
Filter, yeah, filter and a grind. So I think it's, that's coming in at a quiet one too. It's got some nifty features in it. Still has your wine holders, telescopic racks. I'd say a good kitchen. You get a nice pocket handle on that one too, towel bar handle. I like that.
So one thing I'm going to point out on any of these dishwashers we're mentioning, excluding like an entry level, all these dishwashers are going to have built-in filters.
Yeah.
So if you start seeing not perfect wash results and you're seeing food on your dishes, get in there and clean your filter.
This was something we ran into a few weeks ago. You know what I mean?
With a customer on a very high-end dishwasher. And unfortunately, the use and care guides are not conducive to ease of reading. So be sure to go to our videos to watch our use and care on a lot of the appliances we sell.
Yeah, the use and cares are huge. I did a video, and this is so back. I did a filter cleaning video during COVID, and everybody on my block watched it. And 12 people on my street, because we all got the same dishwashers. You know what I mean? 12 people on my street said, "I had no idea it was there."
Yep.
What was under there, and you know what I mean? It's a fine filter, and that's really where all the particles lay. Everything goes down there. And if you don't clean that, it's just really moving around dirty water.
So absolutely.
Good. Let's get down to
listen, I'm trying to get through this list. It's like checking it twice. Yeah. So as we go through under $800, my dishwasher, I'm going to look at a Beko. I got to tell you, the Beko dishwasher, Eastern European dishwasher, stainless steel tank, quiet. They've got dishwashers ranging from $599 to over $800. But under $800, that's my dishwasher.
Yeah, that's a great dishwasher. I mean, I don't know. I was gonna go with Beko. Give me something. Go.
So like I will say under $500, I would look at a GE dishwasher, plastic tub GE dishwasher.
Okay. Yeah.
If you're on a budget, you're looking for white, black, stainless on the outside. Mm-hmm. I would look at the GE dishwasher. We sell a ton of that GE under $500. They make a couple different models. Nice dishwasher. Not going to be the quietest dishwasher, but it does have good performance.
Yeah.
So if you are in that under $500 range, look at the GE dishwasher. Like one of the models off the top of my head, the GDF 510 is a great unit to look at. It comes in white or black. Stainless steel might be just a tad over 500, but great dishwasher.
Huh.
But be sure to always check out our website, donsappliances.com. We've got a lot of videos in conjunction with the various models. Especially, we've got KitchenAid videos, we've got Miele, we've got Bosch.
Yeah, we touch Beko as well.
Yes.
A ton of Beko to get.
Or go to YouTube. We've got a lot of our videos on YouTube. Having fun with dishwashers as always.
Yeah, right. From the top to the bottom with dishwashers with Matt Hillebrand. Gotta love that. Go to donsappliances.com, guys. Thank you, and we appreciate it.
Thank you.